Hi, today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of a brand new condo listing in the town of Parry Sound. But before I do that, I'm going to flip the camera around and show you this awesome view of Georgian Bay. First, when you drive up, you do have exclusive parking at Unit 104, which is very close to the entrance of the building, and you have a light right at your parking spot. Here we can see the building. It's 100 Beacon View. So as you can see, 2 stairs or wheelchair access, or if you don't feel like having any stairs. And once we're inside, we have our mailboxes and also an intercom system. To our left, we do have a common area laundry room. And to our left, as soon as we walk in, we have a large coat closet and more storage here. So we have the option going straight into the living room and kitchen, or turning right to the bedrooms and bathroom. The bathroom here is a 4-piece. Things have been updated, so it's modern. Here's the larger of the 2 bedrooms. So the heat is electric baseboards. Flooring has been updated as well. And both bedrooms do have closets. And we have fiber optic high-speed internet connected to the building. And first thing you notice about this unit is how bright it is, and looking out at the view. It's a beautiful view of the bay. And we do have the Lighthouse condo building in front of us, but it actually doesn't block much of your view. So turning around here, we can see we would have a dining room over in this section and a modern kitchen. So the kitchen was modified, so this part of the wall was opened up, making it feel much more open concept and large. So you can be here doing dishes and still have a beautiful view of Georgian Bay. Great for entertaining as well. And these shutters can fully close for privacy. And outside we have a concrete patio slab. And the way the balcony is here, we do have some decent privacy from our neighbors left, right, and top. If you have questions about this condo or to book a showing, text or call me at 705-774-8944 or email at info@mattmosier.ca.